a little dirt bike project this evening. We are going to install these really cheap China-made aftermarket handguards and see how they fit. So here is the before shot. Before we put on the handguards. The end of the rubber is cut off. I think we have parts of the track inside the handlebar. Okay, so we're starting to line up all the different pieces here. And here on the throttle side will be some drilling involved. And the throttle side is ready. And here is the aftershot. Handguards are on. Okay, so that's done. I just realized this is actually the first video that relates to the channel name, Motocross on a Budget. So that's about time. So why did I choose to buy these cheap China-made knockoff handguards? Well, there's a few reasons. First of all, I wanted handguards because the Wolf is now riding the bike quite much. And he's a little bit short for it, so he falls over quite a lot. Well, I'm also falling, so I should not only blame him. But I thought it was a good idea to protect the levers when the bike is on its side so much. And also I think it's good to protect your hands a little bit when you ride together with others and there are stones flying and so on. So that was the main reasons why I wanted handguards. And then I did some research online to check out the different options, what was available. And I found that the cheap ones more or less did the same job as the expensive, but the difference was mostly style and design. And for example, the ones I bought, they only came in black. But I mean, it doesn't matter because the color scheme of the bike is anyway black, red and white, so they match. And I looked at the channel Dirt and Iron, and he had a review of a similar pair of cheap China-made handguards, and he was really happy with them. He had used them for quite some time and they had taken several falls and they still worked just fine, and so he really recommended them for a budget version. So I also decided to do that then. I guess I'll have to come back with this after some months when we have tried them out for real.